Hello everyone, in this video I will unboxing and give you my review of the WOWCube, the digital interactive gaming cube. WOWCube is the first digital interactive cube that lets you play video games in a unique way. It is also one-of-a-kind device in the shape of a cube made of 8 separate cubicle modules connected to each other. Each module is a separate device with 3 high-resolution screens and a CPU inside. The WOWCube entertainment system is a stress relief digital gadget that improves cognitive function, motor skills, and three-dimensional thinking, keeping you sharp with meditation. Pre-order now to get a WOWCube by Christmas 2022. The link is in the description. The packaging includes a gaming accessory, instructions, and a guide on how to use it, plus gifts card. Additionally, there's a storage bag for the WOWCube, your charger, and other accessories. We have also some silicone protective pads that you can use to protect your WOWCube system. The WOWCube Entertainment System app can be downloaded from Google Play or the App Store. With this application, you can control the cube via Bluetooth without having to touch it. The cube is made up of 8 separate cubicle modules, each with 3 screens inside, which is connected to each other, allowing you to play games on all the 24 screens of all 6 sides simultaneously. Using the WOWCube, you can enjoy a whole new dimension of gaming experience by twisting, shaking, and tilting the cube, just like with any other game console. WOWCube was created to challenge the concept of how we interact with video games. Due to shrinking screen sizes, touchscreens, and virtual reality, we are sliding toward a future where video games will be played only by touching a small screen. No more joysticks, no more gamepads. But playing video games using physical objects is much more engaging and immersive than playing just on a screen. You can play in multiple directions and angles without holding a remote or a smartphone in your hands. The WOWCube Entertainment System is for anyone, for kids or adults, for professionals who spend too much time looking at their phones and not enough time outside, for those who enjoy solving puzzles or need help distressing after work, or simply as a gift. Overall, I really enjoyed the WOWCube as a fun, unique gizmo or gift for any age. Ultimately, I think this is a really cool little tech gadget. I highly recommend the WOWCube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.